And another view of the lower level. Patio, deck, and lake. And another view of some of the deck down below. Detached 2-car garage, plenty of parking. There's a metal stake, and there's another one on the other side of the trailer. Not sure which one of those is actually marking the property line, but it includes this walkway and a good sized deck down the side, carries you to the lake side. We have a retaining wall along the lakeside, and at the moment there's a good sized boat dock. Pretty view of Honey Creek. And upstairs, have the second living area. Doors out to another big deck on the lake. There's the stairs, coat closet, kitchen. Dining area, perfect spot for a bistro table overlooking the lake. Down this hall we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So 1 bathroom down, 2 bathrooms up. Here's one of those bathrooms. Bedroom. With the bathroom. Pretty glass door. Metal door insulated for a front door. Entry foyer. There's pantry there, just right off the kitchen. And here is bedroom number 2 upstairs, with pretty much a standard closet. And here is bedroom number 3 upstairs, with its closet. This one is a full bathroom as well. And there's the view from the downstairs. Good sized patio and deck and waterfront. And down here we have the downstairs living area with wet bar and sink, microwave. There's a spot for the washer dryer, and there's the stairs upstairs. It is a good sized room. This is the downstairs master suite. Good sized room, nice and convenient, and the bathroom is right next door.